If you're watching this, you probably don't want hype. You just want to know, does the Temu Free Gift actually work? And what exactly are the steps without anything hidden? So this is a full walkthrough. No clickbait, no exaggeration. Just how it actually works in 2026. Before we begin, I've placed the current Temu Free Gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes if this one changes. First, what this actually is, Temu Free Gift is not a giveaway, it's a promotional system. That means you can receive items but only after certain conditions, and not every attempt works the same. That's the reality most videos skip. Step 1. How you enter matters. This is where most people mess up. If you open Temu, normally start browsing, then look for free gift. You may never see it. Instead, start with the link in the description. This tells Temu you're entering through a promotion. That changes how the app behaves. Step 2. Activation happens first. Once you open the link, scan QR if on phone, or use manual activation. Now Temu registers your session as part of a campaign. Only after that, open the app. Step 3. What you should see. If everything worked correctly, Temu will look slightly different. You may see free gift section, reward/event layout item selection screen. If you don't see this, the activation didn't register. Step 4. Enter the code. Now enter the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the current promotion cycle. At this point, the system should respond, not stay silent. Step 5. What happens next? Now, Temu guides you through a process. This can include browsing sections, interacting with offers, completing small steps. This is where most people expect instant results. But this part takes a bit of interaction. The part nobody likes, but is real. Let's be honest, this is where many users drop off because it's not instant. Some steps take time. Some campaigns may involve referrals. Not every reward is high value, and that's why people say it doesn't work. What actually determines success? From testing and real behavior, it depends on how you entered your account type, current promotion, timing, sometimes referrals, not just the code. Final verdict. So here's the honest answer. Yes, Temu Free Gift system is real. Yes, people do receive items. No, it's not instant. No, it's not guaranteed. No, it's not the same for everyone. If you want to try it, use the code on screen and follow the steps exactly. And if you've already tried it, comment your experience. Did it work or not? I want real feedback, not hype.